Hi, this is Brian, and I'm here to do a review of the Holz Racing trailing arm guards. As you can see, I just got this box unopened, ordered from Rocky Mountain ATV. They are in Payson, Utah, and I just bought new tires and wheels for the RZR. So I thought I had heard some reviews of people that had gotten rocks wedged in the rear wheel and actually dug a hole in the rear wheel. So with brand new wheels, brand new tires, I figured $125 for these adds some peace of mind and some protection. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what we got inside. Ordered a lot of stuff from Rocky Mountain ATV and it always comes quick. They always do a good job of packing. I've always been happy with everything that I've gotten from them. First thing I see, a lot of this bubble paper, and inside, nicely packaged kit here. My receipt, I'm not going to show you that because it's got my address and stuff on it. And then a bunch of stickers for Rocky Mountain ATV. I don't know that I'll use those for anything, but I mean, I guess they're a nice little addition. So back in the box those go. So like I said, what we have here is the trailing arm mud guards. It says RZR XP 1000. I did confirm that these will fit the RZR XP4 Turbo, which is what I have, 2017 XP4 Turbo. Grab my scissors here and we'll open this up. They use some cellophane to hold it all together here. Open that up. I see the mounting brackets. Looks like the hardware. Looks like there's some spacers in here, some nuts, some bolts, some washers. And then the guards themselves. These are bigger than what I was expecting. They look bigger than what they are, or what they appear to be in the picture. So I'll have to see how they look once we get them mounted. Looks like the cuts are clean. Yeah, I think it'll be nice. We actually took it out today. There was some rain. We actually got hailed on today. But I could see how these would deflect a lot of the mud and rocks from the back. Looks like we have some instructions, one sheet, one page. Apparently pretty simple, that's all it takes. It's actually just the front side. So there we have it. The Holz Racing trailing arm mudguard for the stock arms. And that is everything that comes in the box. So next video will be the installation video, and then we'll try to do a review video as well. So thanks for watching.